Online Surveys lets you create customizable surveys so that you can easily collect valuable customer feedback into your ACT database. You can then incorporate decision trees within your surveys, which will adapt based on responses, making sure that your customers only see relevant questions, increasing their engagement, and reducing survey drop-offs. To access ACT Online Surveys, log into your ACT account, and then click the Additional Features button in the left navigation. From here, go to the Marketing area and click the Online Surveys button. ACT Online Surveys is available to every tier of ACT Advantage. If you're using ACT Cloud and you don't see the Additional Features button in your left navigation, that means you're not on ACT Advantage yet. To upgrade, visit act.com or contact your account manager to explore how you can migrate your account to unlock this and many other powerful features. Before we begin, let's briefly explore the Settings area on the right. This is where you can set up things like your display preferences, email configuration, your profile, permissions for individual users of your team, and any payment integrations that you might want. You can also view pending outgoing emails and historical logs of processes that have occurred. We've organized online surveys by several tabs at the top: Surveys, Drip emails, Submissions, and Images. Let me just show you a brief overview of a few of these, and then we'll go into the details of each section in subsequent videos. There's really no specific setup steps required, so let's get started with the Surveys area. If you have created any previous surveys, they'll show up here in a list. Otherwise, click the New button to create a new survey. When you create surveys, you have the option to create a group record in ACT. ACT will add everyone who submits this survey to that group. When creating or editing a survey, you have 4 tabs to build your survey: the General tab, Questionnaire, Template, and Customize. The General tab controls the basic settings of your survey. Here you can turn your survey on or off by clicking the status toggle switch you see here. Then you can organize your surveys by categories. You can add header images and footer text. You can craft a thank you page or even redirect users to a different page upon survey completion, and manage follow-up assignments, actions, activities, and emails, all from this General tab. Use the Questionnaire tab to build your survey, question by question and page by page for bigger surveys. Every survey contains basic contact detail fields, but you can add, edit, or remove these as needed. ACT uses this information to create contact records when people submit surveys to you. It even checks for duplicates as the surveys come in. As for the questions themselves, there are at least 10 types to choose from, including simple text fields, rating scales, drop-down lists, checkboxes, and more. You can even set up triggers, which will change what the survey displays based upon how a person responds to specific questions. The Template tab allows you to choose an overall theme for your survey. You can then customize this template after you select which one you want to use. At the top right, you can use the Preview button to see what your survey looks like. And then at the top of the online survey screen, ACT has generated a custom URL for you to send to your customers and prospects. Don't forget to click the Save and Close button when you're satisfied with your survey. As your customers submit those surveys back to you, you can then view a report of the results. ACT updates these reports in real time, and you can use the date filter at the top of the screen to narrow the responses by certain date ranges. Of course, you can also export the results to a spreadsheet for viewing outside of the ACT environment. Use the Submissions button at the top to see a person-by-person breakdown of their specific responses to each question. And as you get more experienced with creating surveys, you may decide you'd like to use the Drip Emails section, where you can create a series of emails to keep in touch with people as they submit surveys back to you. This is a great way to follow up and stay in touch with your customers in a personalized way. Finally, go to the Submissions area to see a list of everyone who has submitted a survey to you and when it was submitted. Here you can view the specific results of their survey as you prepare for any follow-ups that you'd like to do.